Hello. In this video we're gonna clear coat my old snowmobile to get some gloss in the paint because it's very dull, the paintwork, and I have just washed it with some iron and general fallout remover. This stuff works really good on Mercedes, but also on the old 80s snowmobiles, just to get the most of the rust off, surface rust. So this is it, all washed up and ready to go in the workshop again. This is an experiment, so I don't really know if it's gonna be great or shit. Let's try and not hit the house. The miss is gonna be very angry if I make a big hole in the side of the house. No servo. Wheel steer right like real men. Lift this one up, parking brake, very good. Now it has been standing in the workshop a couple of days and dried up. So now I'm gonna disassemble some things. This I will remove because that will get some paint on it, and this bar around gonna get some paint. The ski is gonna get some paint, but we don't remove them. We just paint them on its place. And the license plate's gonna be removed. And then we're gonna sand it a little bit. We're gonna start putting the clear coat on and see the results. It starts with this one. I'm not gonna lay a very thick layer, thin layers with this. Looks a lot better for, I think, around $10. And now I'm gonna wait a little bit, couple of minutes, 10-15 minutes, and then I'm gonna put another coat on. Makes a hell of a difference. Feels like this project was worth it. Ready for second coat. Hello, one day has passed, 2 days. 2 days it has been sitting, and looks pretty good. A lot better than I thought it would be. Looks pretty shiny. All the dings and scratches and are still there, but the overall, I just wanted to get a little more gloss in it, because it was dull and very faded and just looked boring. Now it looks pretty great. Not a shine like a new car, but really nice result. Painted the skis a little thin, but just so, yeah, easy fix. Just painted this, the rack who should sit here, and this one that sits here around. So I'm gonna put it all together, and we should see the final result. Now it's finished. Looks pretty great. It's pretty good. Not like new, but almost. A little rust and so, but it's like I had imagined it. The new windshield made a big difference. There are still some things to finish or to do. This hole, but I haven't been able to find some good material for that. But or haven't been able. I haven't even looked. And a new rear light. And I think that was the reason that I didn't mask up the headlight when I clear coated the hood, because I think I'm gonna put some kind of LED light in there, to get a little more light out of it. But that's it. Project done. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you. Bye.